is Jose. How may I help you?
Hello?
Yes.
What's that noise? I'm calling about taxes.
Okay, this is Jose. How may I help you?
Do you hear that?
I could hear it. I don't know. It's coming from you.
I don't know. It's not on my end.
It's not in my hand either. It's just in the line.
Okay. So
You want to call me back again? Maybe if you call me back again.
Oh! How do I get my taxes done?
You need to bring your tax forms with you, or you could email them to us. Your 1099s or W-2s that you might have.
W-2s? And what are those? I work in cash.
All right, you need to bring your bank statements or your 1099s, whatever you might have received, or your income records.
I don't deal with banks. I'm off the grid. What's that noise?
So sorry, I won't be able to help you then.
Can you? What if I slipped you a few bucks?